Hello, this is Chaudhry Mahmood Anwar. Welcome to my channel and thanks for attending me today. I have a very interesting topic today to share with you. How you will analyze your model with a count type dependent variable. For instance, how to examine number of suspended school students in your city or state based on predictors such as gender, race, and language. The method to analyze number of students got first class marks in MBA program in your city or state university based on types of elective courses students selected and their GPA in bachelor's degree. There are many types of regression analysis available on shelf like linear regression, ridge regression, auxiliary regression, logistic regression, etc. What regression method you will choose for this type of analysis? Make sure don't select wrong analysis technique. Always avoid type 4 error which will destroy your study results. Look here, in this model, your one IV is dichotomous and second IV is continuous variable, whereas your DV is a count type variable. Such models will be analyzed using Poisson regression analysis. Now I will explain Poisson regression, and here is our sample model. We want to see if number of publications in your university depend on teaching experience of academics and number of hours devoted to research activities. So let's go to our SPSS data file. This is number of published articles, our first variable, which is an ordinal variable. This is second variable, teaching experience, new or experienced teacher. 0 is for experienced teacher and 1 is for new teacher. And this is our nominal variable. Third variable is number of hours devoted to research. And this is our skill level variable. Let's go to the data view. We have quite a small sample. Number of publications, teaching experience, and number of hours devoted to research. Let's go to analyze. Journal linear models. Type of model, select Poisson log linear. Response, shift your dependent variable, which is number of published articles, the dependent box. Predictors, shift your nominal variables to factor box and your continuous variable to covariates box. Model, shift both variables into model box and select main effects and click on include intercept in model. Go to estimates, use it as it is, statistics as it is, just click include exponential parameter estimates. Rest are not needed. Click OK. These are Poisson regression analysis results, model information, Poisson, and link function is log. This is case processing summary. We have 25 cases. This is categorical variable information. And this is continuous variable information. These are just the descriptive statistics. Next is goodness of fit. You will use the Pearson chi-square. You should remember that in goodness of fit table, if the value of a Pearson chi-square value by df is 1, then it indicates equidispersion, whereas values greater than 1 indicate overdispersion and values below 1 indicate underdispersion. In our case, we have 0.50, which indicates underdispersion. We have quite a small sample, so this is not an issue. Next is the omnibus test. which is significant at 0.002 in our case. So our model is significant. Here you can see the test of model effects. Teaching experience does not predict our dependent variable, which is number of publications, and the number of hours predict the number of publications, which is significant at 0.001. These are the parameter estimates. Here you can see that number of hours, beta is 0.06, and it's significant at 0.001. And most important thing is the odds ratio, which is 1.067. What does it mean? It means that number of publications will be 1.067 times greater for each extra hour work per week. In our case, we will say that 6.7% increase in the number of publications for each extra hour work per week by the academics. This is how you will conduct the Poisson regression analysis, and you have seen that it's quite an easy and simple method to analyze your regression models with the count type dependent variable. Simply speaking, our analysis results show that teaching experience does not contribute to number of publications in the university, but the number of hours devoted to research significantly contribute to the number of publications. So I have told you in a very easy, simplified and comprehensive way that how to conduct the Poisson regression analysis. Thank you very much for attending this lecture.
Are you tired of rejection of your academic scholarship? Submit your research to International Journal of Management, Economics and Social Sciences. With us, you will experience a reputable publishing platform that will guarantee high-quality peer review. Our unique mentorship program enables you to develop your research to increase the chances of publication. Our editors are eminent researchers who will provide the much-needed impetus for your academic works. Visit www.ijmes.com and get your work published.